There lived a goat family in a forest. A kind mom and lovely baby goats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and... Seven. The youngest goat was the smallest of the 7 goats. One day, Mommy Goat spoke to the baby goats.
Kids, Mommy will be going to the market. Remember not to open the door to strangers, especially the scary wolf. The wolf's voice is as rough as the sound of metal, and his paws are as black as charcoal.
Hello, kids. The baby goats were playing with the door locked. Suddenly, someone knocked on the door.
Hi, kids. It's Mommy. Open the door, please.
But it was not the soft Mommy's voice, and it sounded like metal.
You are not my mommy! You have a rough voice!
The baby goats answered together. The youngest one was scared and trembled.
Kids, it's really Mommy. Please open the door.
The wolf spoke in a softer voice after eating a whole jar of honey. But his black paws were sticking out from under the door.
You are not my mommy! You have black paws!
The baby goats answered together. The youngest one was scared and trembled again.
Kids, it's Mommy. I brought an armful of grass. Let's eat together. Open the door.
The wolf spoke in a soft voice after covering his paws in flour.
Wow! It's Mommy!
The baby goats opened the door. Oh no! A scary wolf was at the door.
Ah! It's the wolf! The wolf!
The baby goats ran away screaming. The first goat hid behind the pot. The second goat hid under the carpet. The third goat hid beside the sofa. The fourth goat hid under the table. The fifth and sixth hid inside the closet. The smallest, youngest goat hid inside the wall clock.
You rascals, I am going to find you all.
The wolf swallowed the baby goats one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The youngest goat was so scared that her hairs stood up. Luckily, the wolf couldn't find her hiding inside the wall clock. Soon after, Mommy came home. Mommy was surprised to see the messy house.
What's going on? Where are my babies?
The youngest one came out crying when she heard her mommy.
Mommy, the wolf ate all the other brothers and sisters.
Mommy Goat held the youngest goat's hand and went out to find the wolf. Mommy Goat found the wolf at the top of the hill. The wolf was sleeping with his full stomach. The youngest goat stared at the wolf. and noticed something.
Mom, the wolf's stomach is moving.
Go get the scissors, a needle, and thread from home. Now!
The youngest goat quickly ran home. The wolf was sound asleep, not knowing what was happening. Mommy Goat carefully cut the wolf's stomach with the scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The baby goats hopped out.
Kids, go gather some pebbles.
Mommy Goat filled the wolf's stomach with pebbles. She sewed it up with a needle and thread. Later, the wolf woke up.
I'm thirsty. I guess I ate too much. Oh, I feel heavy.
The wolf slowly walked to the well. When he was about to drink the water, plop, the wolf fell into the well and died. The goat family watched this happen from a distance.
Youngest one, thank you. Thanks to you, we're alive.
Mommy Goat and the baby goats hugged each other tight.